All right, here's 21.2 on Euro. Here's 21 on Euro. This is more the area I was looking to get in at. All right, I'm in Euro at 21. Here's 01 again on Aussie. I'm gonna do it. All right, I'm in at 01 on Aussie. Long Aussie 01, long Euro at 21. The Dow's been moving lower. That's what's been bringing us down. All right, let's look for our bounces back up to our 1 minute boxes. That's the ideal situation, is that the Euro makes it to its 1 minute box and Aussie makes it to its 1 minute box. Aussie's still working itself lower. Right at the 5 minute L7 on Aussie at 97. Cash added at 99. Here's 25.6 on Euro. Looking for that to pop up at another 5 pips to around the 30 area. And probably take Euro off there, at least half off of Euro, around 30. 27 on Euro for a moment. We got this 2 column at 27.28 that's just kind of held us last time. We're going to need to pop that to get to our 1 minute boxes at 30. All right, here's 29 plus 8. This is the area I'm looking for right here. Let me go ahead and take half off of Euro at 29 plus 8. All right, I've got the other half running with a break-even stop. Well, here's 31 plus 10, 32 plus 11. There's 33 plus 12. All right, here's 34 on Euro. I'm going to go ahead and take it. Wait, no, I'm not going to take it yet. Here's 35. All right, I'm going to take it here. All right, because it's stopped kind of moving up. All right, I'm out of Euro, plus 13 on the second half. Aussie, still in. Chris, you got it, 13 on the remainder of that. And still going up, 35 on Euro. I'm at 0405 on Aussie, and I'm thinking on just clearing it because I just didn't like the way that, we kind of wore a lot of pain here. Here's 0405. We're going to pop up at all. Here's 056. All right, that's fine with me. I'm going to go ahead and take off this Aussie at plus 4. Trying to type it in there. All right, so not bad, not bad. I don't blame you guys for hanging on to Aussie a little bit longer. I just figured I'd clear the board, take what I've got, reassess the situation. I'm flat. I got no risk. I've got about 14.5 pips, and we can try something else.